Tired of your boring background? Let's transform it into something amazing with Capcut. First, open Capcut and start a new project. Import the video you want to change the background of. If you're using a green screen, make sure your subject is well lit and the green screen is evenly colored. Tap on your video in the timeline, then scroll through the toolbar at the bottom until you find Cutout. Select Chroma Key. Use the color picker tool to select the green color in your background. Adjust the intensity slider until the green screen disappears. Completely. Play with the shadow slider for a more refined look. Now import the new background you want to use, ensuring it's on a layer below your main video. Adjust the position and size of your video to perfectly blend with the new background. Use filters and color grading tools to ensure both the subject and the background look cohesive. And that's it. You've successfully changed your video background in Capcut. Now go create something amazing and share it with the world.